Alright guys, here we are at Egmanton level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Calo 5. There we go, time is 10:55 on Sunday the 14th of June 2015. This is for our 10:51, 1 Alpha 22 Virgin Trains East Coast Service from Leeds to London King's Cross. And Matthew's also recording as well.
Right, that's better. I now have my camera stand.
Here comes some more people. See, when the crossing is up, nothing appears at all, but when the crossing goes down, everything comes down.
Yeah.
Like I said at Carlton, when the crossing's up, nothing comes. When the crossing goes down, the whole world appears.
Yes. I don't know if I doubt we'll be staying, but the other will be pretty close due to timings for Retford.
Which way is the other one coming from?
So our first one is our 1 Alpha 22 from the
This and Matthew, it's coming from the other way as well. Which one is this?
1 and 90, 1101, Grand Central Search from Kings to Sunderland.
1 November 90. Okay, then I got it. We've got. $43, $44, $468, and we should be staying. Yep, we're staying.
Yep.
Well, no, it's November.
Yes.
Take a look through the thing and see if there's any other things that you don't recognise. Any other names, like any letters that you don't recognise.
I hardly recognise any of them. Alpha, Sierra, November, Y, Yankee.
Yeah.
Sierra, Alpha, Yankee, E.
V, Victor.
E.
Oh, Bravo.
D.
B.
Third letter in the alphabet. Fourth letter in the alphabet.
Oh, D, Delta.
Yeah. That's the one I always forget.
Yeah. Anything else?
No, there's nothing else on there.
I could teach you the alphabet if you wanted to. I mean, not the actual alphabet, the phonetic alphabet.
Yeah. So where else are you going today?
This is it.
Just here. Okay. This should be fine.
I've not been to Carlton this weekend. Keep running. Yay! Here she is. There's another HST.
Yay, HST. It fits
Yeah.
in perfectly.
Dum 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 dum. Yay, HST! Oh, it's pushing the flipping toilets again. 43, 313. 251, and up they go.
251 and up they go.
Thank you guys, we shall see you in the next video.